Hello and welcome to this Azure Bytes. In this, I'm going to talk about why Azure Resource Group needs a location. So when you want to create an Azure Resource Group in Azure, either in Portal or via CLI or through any automation tools, you need to provide the location where resource group will belong to. Now, once the resource group, let's say, is created one location, East US or West Europe, resources within the resource group automatically belongs to that region if you don't say explicitly about the location. However, within that same resource group, you can choose a different location for a virtual machine and the network and the storage, etc., whatever you want to keep within that resource group. Now, the obvious question we often get is that what is the significance of having a resource group location when the resources within the resource group can stay outside of that same region? The answer to that simple question is not that simple. The reason is that the resource group keeps the metadata, which means that whenever there is a resource created within that resource group, it keeps the detail about that resource, and that data is stored within Azure. And because of the data residency policy, sometimes you need to choose where that metadata would locate. So if it is that critical, that is when you need to be cautious about where you are going to create that resource group. So if you choose the resource group to be created in West Europe, which is our Amsterdam data center, and then you create a VM in North Europe, then the metadata about that VM, which is part of that resource group, um, would stay in West Europe, but the actual VM and all its disks and everything will be residing in North Europe. So that is why resource group location is very, very important.